Hello, this is Abby Price in EDCI 270. Today I made a presentation to talk about the 7 ideas or the skills that I think that teachers should have for our workshop that we're talking about the 21st century skills and digital literacy compared to the ISTE standards. I'm going to go ahead and hit present here so it's in full mode here. Alright, so first, one of the skills that I'd really like to talk about is collaboration. This is very important to have as a teacher because you can connect with others from diverse backgrounds or different viewpoints as yourself. You'll also examine and discuss those issues from different viewpoints that you may have, and they may have different aspects of the solutions by using different technology or skills. Next, I'd like to talk about communication. Communication, you can have different visualizations and again, different diverse backgrounds to get your information from. And then you can present those solutions that is customizable to all of those learners. Another skill that I believe that you should have is being a lifelong learner. So this could really pertain to receiving feedback that improves practice in multiple ways and being open to those ideas. Next is practicing being a positive digital citizen. This is very important because you can engage in a positive ethical behavior when we're using all and networking sites. And then you also get to manage your actions within the world and how people view you on those online sites. Being an innovative designer. What I mean by this is you get the tolerance of working with open-ended problems, and then you get to design a process for those ideas to solve those problems in a positive manner, and you get to use those different backgrounds to come up with those design processes. Next is being a curious leader. So that would be seeking out new opportunities to learn and finding those and then implementing them in your own teachings and use. And last, being an analyst. So looking at the stats to drive the instruction and supporting your students in achieving those learning goals and making sure that they're using the best use of technology and those skills to learn what they need to as well. And those are what I believe that I would like to cover in this little seminar or workshop to talk about the 21st century skills and how you can use them in the future.